Spring blizzards are always great. Today is April 11th, 2019, and we have our normal, this is our second year that we've gotten a blizzard in mid-April. Today, right now, we're actually in a lull, and so I'm going to go out and try to get rid of some of the big drifts. I'll explain some of that once I get in the tractor. Wind is coming out of the northeast, which presents some challenges when moving snow. So I'll talk about some of those once I'm in the tractor. So out to the shop I go, and we'll get in and we'll push the 4066 and the 1172 blower pretty hard because this is some really wet compacted snow. Alright, so this should be a lot of fun. We have anywhere from, I'd say 0 to 4 feet of snow on the driveway, various parts, and underneath the driveway is probably pretty sloppy. We went through a spring thaw. In fact, 24 hours before we got all the snow, there was no snow on the ground in the yard anymore. The wind is out of the northeast, which is going to present some challenges with how the snow piled up, since there was no snow on the ground to catch it. That means there's a gigantic pile in front of the house that we're going to have to deal with. That I'm going to have to either throw over the shed or do something with it, but we'll explore that when we get to it. So we are supposed to get more snow tonight, and I'll tell you more about that as we go. But first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to back my way out to the end of the driveway and then flip around and then come back and work my way to the south. Right now we're facing northeast. The reason I'm here is because we're protected from the wind, and so there's less snow on the rear window. So away we go. I haven't used the tractor in a while, and I'll tell you when we get it started here, and we'll go from there. Here's not bad because the wind stopped. Concerned about getting it clean down to the dirt, more or less just kind of want to do a quick clean, because as I said, we're kind of in a lull in the storm, or I think I said that. So actually we've got a ways to go. It's pretty clear for the next about hour and a half, 2 hours. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn around. I'm not going to worry about stuff at the end of the driveway at the moment. Luckily, I think there's a little bit of a crust on the driveway at the moment, which is really good. probably should have dropped the skids for this. It's supposed to warm right back up, so I'm not too concerned. Get too concerned about it and where I put the snow. I just basically want to be able to get out of the driveway. And coming out of the northeast, and this stuff is heavy. I mean, it's like wet concrete. As you see, once the blower gets up on top of it, it just goes. There's no moving this snow a couple times. I just can't get the distance on it, and even if I put it up in the air, it's just so damn heavy. First pass, I'm going to be here a while. Oh, wrong pedal. One of the comments a lot of people have made regarding snow removal is the fact that they don't want to turn around in a seat for a 3-point blower. And honestly, I can say that that hasn't been too much of a pain yet. I really haven't found it to be that bad, because I've got enough room in the 4 Series to twist myself around in the cab. So, I mean, realistically, I haven't had much complaint, or I haven't really had a complaint about it. So, Alright, this should go better because I'm not trying to do a full width. Part about this right here is the fact that I had the RPM set where I was pumping out about, you know, at no load 550 RPMs, and I'm doing really good to keep it at 530 at this speed. So I mean, we're losing 20 RPMs on the PTO. There. I could come clean up a lot of this stuff later, and for right now I mostly just want to get it out of here. Or I may not even have to clean it up. Also right now is the fact that this cab is just terrible with fog. The only window that's not foggy because I have three vents on it is the rear one where the camera's at. Like I said, where I'm putting the snow may seem kind of funny, but there's not a whole many places I could go with it. All she wanted. I'm gonna spend a month brooming rocks out of the yard. struggling with this blower right now, which I don't know if that clearly comes through in the video, but I am struggling quite a bit with this blower. Between the mud and everything else. But this is why I would never recommend anything more than a 74-inch blower for a 4 Series. Like I said, I know there's a lot of folks that put 84-inch blowers on 4 Series, but with this type of snow, it is just aggravating. Just aggravating. And if we didn't have this lull in the storm, I don't know how long it would take me to actually clean up. Last year I spent 7 hours in the tractor moving snow after the April blizzard last year. Ran out of traction. there. Make a really good snow for a snowball fight. All right. Now you're just gonna come back over here. Clean up a little bit. All right. Now let's scrape a little bit more off the driveway. That way we don't end up with an ice sheet. That's kind of fun. So what I do is I'm just going to scrape this back a little bit. Actually might need to come in here I might need to just come in here and scrape it up and then back drag it. The reason I do this, and I'm very particular about my concrete. First winter we lived in the Midwest, I fell I don't know how many times on ice, and I'm like, oh, I'll never do that again. So I've been very cognizant of making sure concrete's cleaned and whatnot, at least to the point where I can put some, some de-icer or something down. Going to go back, drag it off first, and then we'll go back in there and clean it all maybe I should just leave this here as act as a protective coating for the remainder of the blizzard. So I'm not too concerned about cleaning everything as well as I normally do, because it just doesn't need it right now. Because I'll be back out here about 5 tomorrow morning cleaning it up. Yeah, we're gonna call that good for right now. It's okay. Not great. Can't see a bloody thing on it. Just stick the tractor though. Next thing I need to do is I just need to work my way out to the shop with the blower. So I'm gonna go do that. I mean, none of this is ideal in terms of moving snow, but I mean it needs to get done if I'm gonna get to work today. They didn't want anybody in at work, so that was nice. Didn't have to go into work, so I worked from home. So I'm gonna shut the camera off, and thanks for watching. There might be a little bit more video, but I don't know how much. So yeah, thanks for watching.